Good morning, everyone. The student sent me this question again, asking me to do it. But she also told me that it is a Chinese question, maybe for an entrance to a college or something. So, looking at the question, I can see that the question is very, very simple. In fact, SS1 student should be able to do it. But that's not my problem. I just want to enlighten her so that she can know that this type of question is very simple. Alright, we have two equations. Equation 1, s squared plus y squared to be equal to 25. Let's call this one equation 1. And s squared minus y equal to 5. Let's call this one equation 2. Now, I want to start solving. I will say from equation 1 and from equation 2, make y the subject of the formula. Meaning that my y will be equal to, if I bring this y to this side and I bring 5 inside. If I bring this y to this side, it will become plus. If I bring this 5 to this side, it will become negative. So it means that I'm going to have y to be equal to s squared. Bringing this 5 to this side, we attract minus, and that is minus 5. I can call this one now equation 3. I can now put equation 3 into equation 1. I can put this equation into this equation. So if I put this into this equation, I'm going to have s squared plus, this place is y squared and my y is equal to this. So I'm going to put this s squared minus 5 into this place. It is very simple. Let's just go with it. We have our s squared in this plus I have y squared in this place. So I'm going to put this to represent my y because y is equal to s squared minus 5. So I'm going to put it there. I have s squared minus 5. But don't forget, I have square on y, which is this, to be equal to 25. So if you move on like that, I have s squared plus this. So let us open this bracket. Note that s squared minus 5 all squared is the same thing as s minus 5 and s minus 5. This is the meaning of this. So we can just open this bracket. S times s squared times s squared, and that one will give us s to the power 4. And this one and this one will give us what? Minus 5s squared. This one and this one will also give us minus 5s squared. This one and this one will give us plus 25 because minus and minus is plus, and 5 and 5 will give us 25. So we are going to be adding this one and this one together because it's the same thing. So we have s to the power 4, this and this. That one will give us minus 10s squared plus 25. So we want to proceed from here now. I want to proceed from here. I have s squared. This is now this. So I'm going to put this to represent this now. Plus s to the power 4 minus 10s to the power 2 plus 25 equal to 25. So if I collect the like terms, that is if I bring this one to this side, I'm going to have s to the power 4 plus s to the power 2 minus s to the power 2 to be equal to 25 minus 25. But if you look at it carefully, you will discover that this one can cancel this one. Also, you have s squared plus s squared minus 10 s squared. You can say, okay, plus s squared minus 10 s squared will give you minus 9 squared. Minus 9s squared rather will be equal to 0. Because s squared minus this minus this will give you 0. S squared minus 10 s squared will give you 9s squared. Now, if you look at it, there is something that is common here, which you can factorize. S squared is common. You can factorize s squared. If you factorize s squared in this case, you are going to be left with s squared. And this one will give you minus 9 to be equal to 0. Now, I can say s squared is equal to 0 and this also is equal to 0. So s squared is equal to 0 to imply that s is equal to 0. And this one also, I have s squared, I can say s squared minus 9 is equal to 0 to give me s squared equal to 9. And if I square root both sides, I'm going to have s squared to be equal to plus or minus square root of 9. This one will cancel this one. I'm going to have s to be equal to plus or minus 3. Therefore, my s is now equal to 0 minus 3 and then 3. That is the value of my s. But I need to get y. How can I get y from this? You recall that I have a single variable for y which is equal to this. Y is equal to this. So I can put the values of this s into this system. I can put the value of x into this equation 3 now for me to get y. It is very simple. It is a trivial thing. So from equation 3, put the values of x to get y. Put the value of x to get y. Recall, the y is equal to s squared minus 5. So when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, what will be my y? I will just put y is equal to 0 squared minus 5. 0 squared minus 5 will give me 0. 0 squared will give me 0 and this one will give me minus 5. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to what? When x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 5. Also, when s is equal to minus 3, when s is equal to minus 3, that put minus 3 into this equation, I'm going to have y equal to minus 3 squared minus 5. Minus 3 squared will give me 9. 9 minus 5 will give me 4. So when s is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 4. Also, when s is equal to 3, when x is equal to 3, I will have y to be equal to 3 squared minus 5, which is equal to 9 minus 5. So it means that I have y to be equal to 4. So when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Therefore, the solution to this system now, the solution to this system of the equation, is now 0 minus 5 minus 3 and 4 and